Hello, everyone, all of my family, friends, general public. My name, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Margaret Ann Golden-Cheng. I've been a real estate broker since 1989 in the state of California, and I've been an insurance agent since 2021 for several states in the United States because we do cover all of the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. And I'm making this recording to give some very, very valuable information to everyone. I have not written a script. I don't have a script because I want to talk with you straight from my heart about the importance of life insurance or an annuity. Uh, in the business, I see so many people, things have happened to them in their lives. I've seen people who die who don't have insurance coverage, and they have to do a GoFundMe to try to raise money for a burial and for a funeral. I've seen people that have come to their retirement age and not receive enough money from Social Security to support them after they retire, and they lose quite a few things. Have seen people that have become ill and they need extra money to help them, during their illness. So that's what I want to talk to you about today. I want to help people. That's the goal for this recording, is to give help to those who need my help. The number one product is the IUL, which is the Index Universal Life Insurance Policy. This, in very brief, this is a life insurance policy that also has a savings built into it. So you're earning interest on your money that you're making your premium payments to every month. You're earning interest on that money. And withdrawals from this type of policy is tax-free. You don't pay tax on withdrawals. You can make withdrawals from these policies at any time after you have the money, cash value available to make a withdrawal, and you don't pay tax. Also, if you pass away, your heirs do not pay inheritance tax on anything that they receive from your life insurance policy. Those are some of the death benefits of this policy. This policy also carries living benefits. So if you become ill with a chronic illness, critical illness, or terminal illness while your policy is in effect, you can withdraw up to 90% of the death benefit for any purpose to help you if you have one of these illnesses. And I have seen one of my clients started his policy 2 months before he was diagnosed with a chronic illness that could turn into a terminal illness if it's not treated. And he had the policy for a few years, paid less than $7,000 into the policy, but is now able to withdraw $90,000 from that policy. The death benefit is for $100,000. He can withdraw up to 90% of that death benefit and use that money for anything. He can use that money for medical expense, paying for medical bills. He can use it for buying groceries. He can use it for paying his mortgage. He can use that money for anything at all. And so he put less than $7,000 into this policy, and now he's able to withdraw up to $90,000 from that policy. So that's one example of a living benefit. We do have some other clients. One young lady, she had her policy and she didn't know how much she had paid into the policy and how much cash value she had in her policy. And she lost her job. And her agent told her, check and see, if you can withdraw from your policy. And she was able to withdraw I think about $60,000 from her policy, and that helped her a whole lot. So you see that these policies are extremely important. You not only have coverage to pay for your funeral, to keep your heirs from being under financial strain after you die. It's so many things that you can do with this, and there's a whole lot more that I can tell you about this policy. But this is just a summary of the Index Universal Life Insurance Policy. The other thing that I want to tell you about is an annuity. I do have some people that have had the 401k, the 403b, and money invested in the stock market, and each of them lost money, a lot of money. So if you start an annuity, this is something that you can invest your money in and save it. This is something that is a long-term plan. It's not something that you put your money in and you take it out the next month. This is a long-term plan for your retirement. But you can also, there are two types. You can have a growth annuity and you can have an income annuity. So these are things that can help you when you retire. And if your Social Security or your pension, whatever you will receive when you retire, if it's not enough to support you after you retire, then this annuity can give you that added protection to give you that extra income to help you during your retirement. So these are real life situations that I see people in, and I really hate to see something happen to somebody and they don't have the protection that they need. So get in touch with me. You can call or text me at 209-665-1688. Or you can find me on social media on Facebook, Margie Ching, Instagram. But just try to reach out to me to get some more information so that I can help you and your family. Oh, the other thing that I want to mention is the $1 Million Baby Policy. I love that parents and grandparents, aunties, uncles, whoever, godmothers, godfathers, they can set this policy up for a child. And when the child gets old enough, they will have money to pay for a college education, buy a new car, buy a new home, go on vacation, use the money for whatever. And there are some that I know that have these $1 Million baby policies, and when the young people retire, they will have about maybe $18 million. That's not 18,000, that's 18 million. So I can help you set this up for your loved ones. So again, reach out to me. My name is Margaret Ann Golden-Cheng, and you can call or text me at 209-665-1688. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.